We're the first ones here to EM Break.
Welcome to EM Break Vlog!
A dinosaur claw machine.
It's 10:30. We're here for speech stuff. Not a part of EM Break. You guys don't stop. Shut it off. Just got done with the speech meeting thing. I'm not called for an hour and a half. Peyton's here. Hi guys, Peyton's here. Okay guys, are you a honk shoe or a me 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 me?
I'm a me 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 me. Maya's a honk shoe.
Honk shoe.
It's a me me me.
Honk shoe. Honk shoe.
No, Peyton's a me me me.
shoe.
I'm a me.
Me 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 me.
Tim's a me me me.
Eleanor?
Eleanor might be a honk shoe.
I think Eleanor might be a honk shoe.
Eleanor, you're a honk shoe.
You go.
Mila's a honk shoe. But Mila. And Becca Green is a honk shoe. But
Laramie's a honk shoe.
they're so honk shoe.
Dude, Ari is me, bro.
Ari?
Feel me?
Cece's a honk shoe. Tiki is a me 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 me.
Damn.
Okay guys.
Wait. I see if I can get it. That's an
No, it has to be like a
My team moved on in Survivor.
My team moved on. Wait, I need to explain
I
something.
would like to say, all thanks to Layla. Layla, you a G for that one.
Emma, while I edit.
Hi. I don't know what G means.
Survivor with Mr. Tiki. Who's on our survivor team?
So it's
Us.
us two? Ashlyn?
Eleanor. Claire.
Charlie.
Charlie. We have a goated team. We were first place. We had to wheelbarrow our team down to one side, and then we had to leapfrog back, and then after that we had to throw little ping pong balls in a bucket. And here's what happened though, because we weren't getting our balls in the
we were, like,
bucket,
one of the last people
we
to
were
get
the
it in.
last people to get the first ball, and then we were the first one to get all three.
I clutched up.
We were the first three teams moved on, and then they had another challenge to get a fourth team to move on, and then Orange, we're kind of scared of Orange.
They're all seniors.
They're literally all seniors but Layla. Our team is
But
also
Layla did clutch
goated.
up for Orange. Like,
Yeah.
Layla was the reason Orange moved on.
But like, I love Survivor. Like, oh, I should have brought my heels.
You came.
Why'd you come?
Why'd you come? Got
Why'd
through
you
law
come?
school by busting my ass.
We're gonna go.
What's that? Dick blue.
Your neck.
Your neck. This is Lucy's. Pretty good. This is Mabel's. Close call, but this one's more fizzy. This one's more cold.
Whoa, they kissed. Just one positive. It wasn't good. Guys, Nerf War starts soon. Got my gun. And we're about to do Nerf Wars. Okay. Good job, guys. Hi, y'all. We're setting up for Nerf Wars. Do you want to see the Nerf War setup? We are on the third floor of the middle school. No enter. No enter. Walk over here. Look at this hall.
The chance of app.
Are we waiting? Are we doing?
Okay. Off to war. Off to. I love you, Ashy. I'll shoot you though.
Guys, we start at 7. That's scary. I'm holding rank.
Hold rank.
Go! Hold defense! Hold defense! Don't even try!
I'm down! Stop!
I love you, I'll kill you.
I love you. I'm gonna shoot you.
Guys, look at that little groundhog. Like, hello?
That was an act. I
You
didn't
guys,
mean
we're
to shoot.
still in round 1. Like, what's happening? Go! Give me a shield! Give me a shield! Get your back! Get your back!
Shadows. Wartime. Wartime. It's war, girls. I want to be a wartime photographer, but they're not letting me.
I'm sorry. I got Ash.
We never won before. Guys, I just hella cracked my phone more. Now we are in, I don't know what it's called. You only have yourself. So, my phone fell on my head. And there's like a black hole.
If you shoot and you don't hit somebody, you're dead too.
I'm so sorry, Claire. Oh, wait, what the heck? No! Oh my god! War! Yes! Hi, Black! I'm sorry, war is war, Claire, and I love you, but... Last shot! It's Charlie Evans! Charlie and Evans!
Rush in!
What if somebody rushed? Now we are back to sophomore, senior, junior, freshman, but it's sudden death. When you die, it's just about killing each other. This is war for real. War.
If you die, you die.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh no. Guys, we started. You're down.
I broke your phone, I'll break your face too.
Oh god, oh god. They're dancing very far. Moving as a cat. You guys, Cece gets to do air horn. Alright. Everybody do this shit. Clean up. War is over. Oh, my phone looks so weird. We're going to frying pan.
Hey, Ted. How was your first day of your first EM break?
You know, actually, it was pretty good.
I don't know if I like your accent.
I don't know whether I'm very good at it. I'm gonna switch to more of a southern husk. All right.
Not a drawl, a husk.
I really enjoyed it, and I wasn't very stressed out a lot. And I feel like I was DJing it up. When I wasn't needed, I kind of just hung out with my friends.
Which is what you wanted out of EM break.
Right.
How was your first day of EM break?
Fire.
I'm just so happy right now. Look what you're doing. Show him. What do you think, power couple? I think so.
Everyone wants to kiss him on the mouth.
I want to kiss his pumpkin.
Wait, get a little closer. Wait, he keeps walking away. Get her, man. Cotton 4K stealing from women.
I don't regret anything. Jake, I'm gonna marry him. That was Yo Sugar, my hug guy.
I hated that.
Tap, tap, tap.
Hi guys.
Do you want to come to my house? Hey, Lucy.
I had an invitation.
It's so fun. Guys, I have a favorite. I flirted. I tipped 50%, basically, almost.
This is a very special bullet. With this bullet.
What?
I will decide who wins. The final Nerf War. The final Nerf War goes to Jonathan Freshman. Let's go.
Hey guys, editing Lucy here.
I'm about to watch Survivor. I don't know how the vlogs are gonna be divvied up. I'm gonna try and get this vlog out right now, like tonight, and split it up by days because Eleanor suggested it. But if I don't, you'll see.